Hi, I'm Ray, and this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables, along with some DIY projects on the way. But today I'm going to show you how to grow potatoes in straw. So let me show you. First, we need to prepare the bed, removing all weeds and getting a clear bed. So once you've prepared your bed, removed all the weeds, then we can add some compost, and this will give a bit of nutrients to the sweet potatoes. And we spread it around so it's nice and flat. Then we're just going to add some fertiliser. There we go. And then we're going to get our sweet potatoes, and this is the Nicola, and we're going to plant them in the same dimensions, 12 inches, and we're just going to sit them in the compost, just firming them in. And we're going to get 2 rows. Chits facing up. And we're going to put an extra row in. In the back, just because I've got a few spare. Spread them out a bit. There we go, and that's all our potatoes added in there. And then all we're going to do is just use our straw. Make sure it's got an organic straw and it's got no herbicides in, and we're just covering them over. Giving a nice thick cover, and the straw is going to keep the soil cool and also keep it moist. Once the shoots appear, we can add some more straw to the top. And there we go, and then eventually the straw will break down and it will give a good combination to the soil. So all we need to do now, get a couple of pieces of wood, lay over the straw so the straw doesn't blow away, and then we give it a water. So we're just going to water the straw on the potatoes, and when it's hot, just check and see if it's wet underneath, and then give it extra water if need be. But there we go, job done. So have you planted your potatoes yet? Let me know in the comments. And what way have you grown your potatoes? Be interesting to see the different ways and different methods and what potato varieties you're growing. So leave me a comment, that'd be wonderful. So thank you very much for now. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell and get notifications when I post some more. So cheers for now, bye.